Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is finally another scent talk. Actually, 12:26 a.m. na, and today is already December 21. Sobrang lapit na mag-Christmas and New Year. So for today, isi-share ko sa inyo yung aking best of 2024. Actually, I'm not feeling really well today. Nag-acid reflux ako and then sumasakit talaga yung ulo ko. Parang gumagalaw yung paligid na nararamdaman ko. So, kung hindi gano'n kataas yung energy ko, I'm so sorry. Ayan, at saka isa pa, sobrang late na. Baka maririnig na ako ng mga kapitbahay. So, ayun. Share ko sa inyo yung top 10 ko. Yes, hindi ito yung usual na best 22, 23, and 24. Kasi, I don't know, hindi ako makabuo ng top 24 because this year, hindi ganun karami yung perfume or fragrance mist na natry ko. I really used yung mga scents na to, like paulit-ulit, palagi ko silang ginagamit. So, hindi ako nakabuo ng sobrang dami. But rest assured na kung ano man yung scent preference nyo, feeling ko may mag-work sa inyo dito. And lahat talaga ito talaga yung cream of the crop, like the best of the best. Ayan, so 10 lang sila, hindi kayo ganun mahihirapan. But before we proceed with the video, kung bago kayo sa channel ko, kindly subscribe to my channel down below. And kung dati na kayo, thank you so much na nandito pa rin kayo kahit malapit na talaga mag-2025. So let us start. Okay, so this top 10 is nakita nyo na to like previous years. But this year, mas pinaka nagamit ko siya. Ayan, so halfway na ako sa kanya. This is Bath & Body Works Pure Wonder. So, ito yung scent for me na masasabi kong talagang very demure, very mindful. Kasi pag ito yung gamit mo, you will smell like parang professional. First mo maaamoy dito is like parang notes of jelly, like literally jelly is. And when it dries down, meron siyang parang white floral and white musk scent that makes it very demure talaga. So, ito yung scent na pwede mong gamitin if you are nasa office setting or pwede rin pag nasa field ka ng medicine, like doctor or nurse. Kasi hindi siya offensive at all. This scent is so classy. Pwede siyang gamitin ng mga girls na mahilig like parang clean girl aesthetic, ganon. It's very pleasing. If mahilig ka sa mga white and light colors na clothing, feeling ko ito yung mag-work sa'yo kasi ganon yung vibe niya. Sobrang linis lang niya. This Bath & Body Works Pure Wonder is my top 10 kasi madalas ko itong nagagamit. Specifically, if very mainit yung panahon, like I want to go to school na fresh lang pero sobrang init, this Pure Wonder is, ito yung naging favorite scent ko. So, siya yung top 10 ko, guys. So, you will be surprised with my top 9. Sobrang mura lang niya, but then, it really works. Ayan. So, this is, I don't know if you're familiar with this, but this is Personal Collections White Dove. Ito yung Big Giggles. Parang ito yung original nila. I don't know kung makikita nyo, pero, ito na siya. Ayan. Nandito na ako. This is 200 ml bottle. Pero, ayun, I hope nakikita nyo. Wait lang. I have a hack kapag hindi nyo nakikita yung laman. Like, you just do this. Ayan. Ayan guys. So, hanggang dyan na lang yung scent na natitira sa kanya. This has been my favorite everyday scent. And kahit aalis ako, very good din to sa layering. Like, alam niyo yung, I have a hack about this scent. If you want your scent to linger like all day long, ang ginagawa ko dito is, ini-splash or nilalagay ko siya sa hands ko and then dinadab ko siya dun sa clothes before I iron my clothes, like bago ko siya i-plancha. After that, nape-press yung scent dun sa clothes and then talaga nagtatagal siya. Like, kapag nag-perfume or nag-body mist ako sa ibabaw niya, kahit hapon na or kahit pauwi na ako, still naaamoy ko pa rin siya. Ang bango nito guys, it's very fresh and sweet at the same time. It's your everyday body cologne, but then it's so long lasting. If mahilig kayo sa mga baby scent, ito yung favorite ko na type of baby scent. And ang maganda dito, it's very inexpensive. It's also mild and hypoallergenic kasi nga it's for baby. So, hindi ka mag-worry na if you have sensitive skin, hindi nag-work sa'yo yung mga perfume. Or like, diba yung sometimes kapag yung perfume is may oil, mainit siya. This one is very refreshing, long-lasting, at the same time, sobrang mura lang niya. So, if you want a baby scent, so this White Dove is something that I can recommend. This one naman is, I'm trying to use this up na kasi I already have a backup bottle and ready na ako na ayun na yung gamitin ko. So, ganyan na lang siya kasi may face dun sa year na to, like parang straight 2 weeks or 3 weeks na ito lang yung nasa bag ko. That's why, ganyan na lang laman niya. So, this one is Victoria's Secret's Amber Romance. Kung nakikita nyo lang guys, very abused yung bottle kasi lahat ng bag ko, ito yung nilalagay ko talaga. Lasting Love, Fierce Skies, Sugar Kisses, Thigh Highs, and Secret Doors. Pero yung maamoy nyo dito is, it's an ambery cherry scent. It's very sweet. If you don't like sweet scents, I don't think that you will like this because sobrang sweet niya to the point that it can be sickeningly sweet. But then on my body, it works really well. Ito yung scent na kahit pagpapawisan ako kung ano man ang gagawin ko sa araw na yon, ito yung hindi nag-aamoy like maasim and offensive. So kung gusto ko yung talagang scent na panlaban, like yung maaamoy pero hindi magiging offensive yung scent, eto, si Amber Romance. Just beware lang, sabi ko nga kanina, if you don't like sweet scents, this is not for you. Kasi it has parang syrupy, cherry type of notes. So, ayun. Pero, the dry down is very ambery, powdery. Si Amber Romance is something that I can recommend if you want long-lasting body mist version. Eto. So, these are naman my top 5 and 6. Hindi na ako makapili kung alin yung 5 and alin yung 6 because I equally love them. So, these are perfumes from Perfumo Scents. I don't know if you are familiar with them. These are underrated. Wala nag-hype nito sa TikTok, sa Shopee, or kahit saan man na platform. Wala na akong nakikita ng mga reviews nila. But actually, eto, yung first set, they reached out to me and then they asked kung pwede sila magpadala, I think. Ganon. Tapos yun, tinry ko sila. But then guys, nung tinry ko to, look at the dent na nabawas ko dito. And eto, bago lang to. Sobrang bango nila guys. So this Perfumo, ayan, ganyan itsura niya. This retails for 499 pesos. But yung kanilang performance is like pwedeng pumasya siya as 800 to 1,000 pesos. First, yung kanyang packaging, it's very luxe. When you buy this scent, nakalagay siya sa box na if you want to give this as a gift, hindi nakakahiya kasi ang ganda ng box. I will try to insert pictures here nung unboxing ko sa kanila. Ayan. And then, mabigat siya, guys. It really has weight. Tapos, hindi parang plastic yung cup. Like, maganda talaga. So, first scent is this one. So, this opulence scent. They describe this as amber, oud, and warm spicy. Sabi daw nila, this smells like the velvety elusiveness of a secret room. Hindi ko ma-explain yung vibe na tinatry nila dito. But then for me, it smells very warm, spicy, and nutty at the same time. Sobrang bango nito guys. If you're familiar with Lux Organics Dreamy Bliss, I like that scent and still kinikip ko pa siya. Tapos nung naamoy ko to, guys, I was surprised kasi magkaamoy sila. But then this one lasts longer. And this is also parang nagpo-project siya ng mas malala kesa doon. Kasi, I love the scent of that Dreamy Bliss. However, hindi ko siya masyado ginagamit because nahihinaan ako sa kanyang performance. But this one, ito yung mas potent na version niya. So, if you want a scent na medyo spicy, best for cold weather, ito yung masasuggest ko sa inyo, si Opulence. Ito yung mas safe because itong isang ipapakita ko sa inyo, okay, si Perfumo X11, still a warm scent. But this one is a dupe ng perfume na Black Phantom. Siya yung chocolatey, something like that. If you're familiar with this, so this is Kilian's Black Phantom. Ayan, syempre, knowing yung Kilian na brand, sobrang mahal niya. But then, this one, meron silang version And ang bango-bango din ito, guys. So, if mahilig kayo sa mga gourmand, like, this one is a heavy gourmand. Sabi nga, it's almost similar sa mga juice ng vape na chocolate, like gourmand flavor. So, this X11, if you want parang a chocolatey cocoa scent, ito yung masasuggest ko sa inyo. So, that one is really best para sa mga gourmand girlies and guys na nanonood sa akin. So, this is your sign to check that out. I don't know kung tama pa yung bilang ko, pero parang mali kanina kasi sabi ko 5 and 6. Actually, that's 6 and 7. I'm sorry. But this is my top 5. Nakita nyo na to last New Year yata. Kasi I got this as a gift last December or last Christmas. So, ayan. Kalahati na lang siya, guys. So, this is Zara's Starlight Vanilla. Ito yung scent na in-review ko sa inyo. Meron akong in-depth review nito. So, if you want parang more detailed review, I will try to link yung video ko. But this one, ito yung ultimate bakasyon scent ko. For Christmas vacation, dinala ko to sa amin. Nung nagbagyo kami, dinala ko rin to because sobrang long lasting nito and compact, maliit lang siya. I think this is 30 ml. Siya sa mga bag, hindi siya ganun kabigat, plus nagtatagal siya. So, hindi ako kailangan mag-spray. So, this Starlight Vanilla is a scent na lavender and vanilla. If you want a warm scent, pero hindi ganun ka-foodie, ito yung masasuggest ko sa inyo. So, this is actually daw a dupe of Jo Malone, Smear, and Tonka. If like nyo yung scent na yon, if you want a nutty, vanilla pero still merong lavender, floral lavender na scent, ito yung masasuggest ko sa inyo. The lavender in this scent is not herbally, hindi rin siya yung parang greeny na parang matapang like that. So, yung lavender dito is very pleasing, maganda yung scent na to. If yung gusto nyo is hindi ganun ka-heavy gourmand pero still may vanilla, ito rin masasuggest ko sa inyo. Sobrang safe nung scent na to. Kasi feeling ko mag-work siya for girls and guys, pero hindi siya yung parang guy scent na musky to like heavy. Sakto lang yung scent na to. Pero yun, kung babae man kayo or lalaki, feeling ko magugustuhan nyo to if you want to try parang lavendery vanilla scent. So this Starlight Vanilla is my top 5 for a reason. Kasi ayun, kalahati na lang siya, guys. Okay, going back to body mist, my top 4 for this year is ito. Ito yung pinakamataas na Bath and Body Works scent na may ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung pinakamadalas ko ginagamit. Like, if papasok ako or lalabas ako, and wala akong maisip na scent, but I want to smell sweet and delicious, ito yung ini-spray ko. This is Bath and Body Works Sweet Petal Pound Cake. Notes ito are candied rose, raspberry swirl, and frosted bun cake. So, sobrang pagka-love ko dito, alam ko na si mama, mahilig rin siya sa gourmand. I gave her this scent, niragaluhan ko siya kasi because I want her to experience yung scent na to. Sobrang bango nito, guys. If you want parang sweet, pero may onti lang na parang drop of rose or floral scent, ito yung masasuggest ko sa inyo. Mas lamang yung pagiging sweet and gourmand niya. Pero hindi siya ganun like foodie. It's still gourmand floral, ganun. Sobrang love ko to, guys. So, ayun, if mahilig kayo sa mga pink, mahilig kayo sa mga scent na pag-girl lang, so this Sweet Petal Pound Cake is something that I can recommend. Sobrang dalas ko nito gamitin, guys. So, kung nakakasalubong niyo ako dyan sa labas, like, bibili lang ako normal, ito yung usual na ginagamit ko kapag nasa bahay lang ako. Okay, for my top 3, ito yung, I think, one of the most compliment getter scent ko. Ayan, this is ano yung brand ito? Latafa Yara. Ganda ng lalagyan niya, guys. Binili ko siya kasi maganda yung lalagyan. Ayan. Okay, initially, kapag dito ko siya inaamoy sa bottle, medyo nakakahilo siya kasi meron siyang heliotrope notes. Pero kapag nilagay mo to sa body mo and amoy ito ng mga tao, I don't know, sabi nila amoy coconut and milk siya. Pero wala siyang coconut notes. But this one is a floral vanilla scent. If you want a scent na pag-girl, ganyan, if like ko kayo na mahilig sa pink outfit, like girly girl, ito yung masasuggest ko sa inyo. It projects really well, it lasts really long, and ayun, compliment getter siya, guys. Ang dami nagkakagusto sa scent na to. To the point na marami ako napabili nung scent na to. Like, ilan yung nag-check out nito because naamoy nila sa akin and mabango siya, guys. Ayan. For my top 2, look at this. Ayan. Nagkalahati ko na. So, this is Zara Weekend Fem Weekend. This year, pinakamarami ko na-try more than Bath and Body Works. Ang pinakamarami ko talaga nasubukan are Zara fragrance. So, si ate mo ay medyo napapagastos. Kasi di na ako bumibili masyado ng mga ganito. Kung nakita nyo, wala ako masyadong review. Kasi, na-realize ko that it is good to invest in perfume or EDPs kasi they last long. Hindi mo kailangan mag-spray. And yung quality, alam yun. This Zara Femme, it's a parang vanilla and musky scent. Sabi nila, this one is a dupe to Dior's Poison. Hypnotic, ano yun? Hypnotic Poison ba yun? I will try to flash in here. Ayan. But this one, I super love this kapag mainit. Kasi it's really refreshing. Hindi siya fresh scent, pero nakaka-refresh siya. Alam niyo yung parang scent na pag bagong ligo, tapos may onting amoy mask. Ganon. It smells like you, but better. Ewan ko, it smells like skin. It smells like clean skin with drop of vanilla sweetness. Ganon yung maamoy mo dito. If you want a scent na parang hindi ka masyadong nag-effort but still mabango ka, ito yung masasuggest ko sa inyo. This Zara Femme. Ito yung pinakamadalas kong gamitin, especially this October, November, and December. And ito yung pinaka-compliment getter ko. Like sa mga students ko, ito yung sinasabi nila na nalalaman nila na dadating na ako kasi naaamoy na nila. Ayan. So this is the 80 ml bottle of the red Zara Temptation Winter. Actually, binili ko lang to because I'm curious and then sobrang mura lang. Kasi parang may dent yung box, so binili ko siya. But then, hindi ko in-expect na sobrang malalove ko siya. It's the red Zara Temptation, pero winter yung version. I also have yung original na red Zara Temptation, but hindi ko siya ganun ka-love. Medyo smoky siya for my liking. But this one, it has the perfect blend of smoky, sugary, and toasted marshmallow scent. Sabi daw nila, it's a dupe to, ano nga yun? Baccarat Rouge 540, especially yung original. But then, this one, I like this better because medyo mas tamed down siya and mas may vanilla aspect siya. Sobrang long-lasting nito, guys, and the projection is like 11/10. If you want to experience like the ultimate compliment getter scent na mahuhook talaga yung mga tao, like gusto talaga nila maamoy, this red Zara Temptation is something that I can recommend. Yes, medyo hindi ganoon ka mura si Zara, but then I found legit sellers na pwede ko i-link sa inyo or you can just comment down below para maibigyan ko kayo ng mga recommendations kasi sobrang mura ng mga nakukuhanan ko ng Zara. Kasi marami na talaga nagtanong yan sa akin na ano daw yung scent na yan and then they are trying to find yung scent na yan. Like, gusto nila bilhin din kasi nga sobrang bango daw. Ilan na? Like, may teacher, may student, sobrang random ng mga tao. Tinatanong nila yung scent na yan. Tapos, ayun, medyo expensive nga siya. Pero sabi ko nga, we have ways para matry siya. Ayan, meron ako mga nahahanap na legit store. It can be in Shopee, pwede rin Facebook pages. So, nagbebenta sila ng mga Zara fragrance na hindi ganon kamahal. So, if you want, just DM or comment down below. Yun. To sum up, ito yung most used and abused scent of the year ko. And also, the most compliment getter scent. So, if you want something very smoky, like meron siyang parang burnt something scent na perfect kahit mainit. Di talaga kasi siya nakakahilo. I don't know. Yung OG na Red Temptation, medyo nakakahilo siya kapag mainit. Pero itong winter, medyo mas tame down siya. Ang sarap niya amoyan, guys. Especially if it settles na sa hair or sa clothes mo, this is super highly recommended. So, that will be all for this video. Again, hindi siya ganun kahaba kasi nga, I'm not feeling well, but then I'm trying to show up kasi yun, naipangako ko na sa inyo yung video na to. So, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me. I know di ako ganun ka-active sa YouTube kasi I focused more sa TikTok because I tried na makapasok sa affiliate doon and luckily, ayun, naging TikTok affiliate naman ako. So, yun. Usually kasi mga short videos lang yung ginagawa ko, like unboxing, mga ganun lang. So if you want to follow me there, ilalagay ko yung mga links natin here kasi doon ako mas naging active. But if you want more Sentok videos, just comment down below kung may mga request kayo or may mga nakikita kayo sa collection ko, like di ko pa nare-review, you can comment down below. Once again, thank you so much for watching. God bless us all and bye!